In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your YouTube music offline not working. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your offline mode. You want to open your YouTube music and then type on your library and make sure that offline music is turned on. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and head into your library tab and then head straight for the downloads and check if they are actually downloaded or not. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Maybe try enabling and disabling your airplane mode and open any website or app to confirm the internet works. If that is not the case, your YouTube music membership might have been expired. Simply go ahead and verify that you still have the membership. Also, try removing and re-downloading the music or even clearing the cache of your application. Your app might also have a potential update. Simply go ahead and check your App Store or Play Store, or simply try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.